Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your Huawei phone. Many users wonder if it's possible without Google Play services, and the answer is yes. The key is to use a reliable alternative app store to download and install the game. We will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring your village is safe and accessible. It's a straightforward method that allows you to enjoy your favorite strategy game. To get started, you'll need to download the Clash of Clans APK file. We recommend using well-known and trusted platforms like the Huawei App Gallery, Amazon App Store, or APK Pure to ensure security. Before installation, navigate to your phone's security settings and enable the option to install from unknown sources. This allows your device to install applications not directly from the Google Play Store. Remember to disable this setting afterward for enhanced security. Once installed, it's crucial to create or link your Supercell ID. This free service securely saves your game progress, allowing you to transfer your village between devices effortlessly. For game updates, you won't receive automatic notifications like with Google Play. Instead, you'll need to periodically check your chosen app store for new versions and manually download the updated APK file. This ensures you always have the latest features and bug fixes. If you encounter any performance issues, try clearing the game's cache and data through your phone's app settings. For optimal gameplay, ensure your Huawei device has at least 2 GB of RAM. This helps the game run smoothly without lag. Always prioritize downloading updates from the same trusted app store you used initially. This practice minimizes security risks and ensures a consistent, enjoyable Clash of Clans experience on your Huawei phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.